I came along to the discussions today to have a bit of free time thinking about the longer term future of local government. It's quite easy in our roles as chief exec to get really focused on day-to-day business, so it was good to meet up with other colleagues, to talk to Solace and Civica about some of that kind of blue sky thinking. I think there were some really good key takeaways from today's discussions. I think the thinking about our workforce of the future and the challenges and what that means for local government is really interesting. I also sit on the Integrated Care Board for Bedfordshire, Luton and Milton Keynes, so I think it was interesting to bring in some of those thoughts and discussions into the thinking, particularly around how we share data, how we think about social care, and also the opportunities from technology to support our work supporting children in schools. So for me, blue sky thinking is thinking about looking at current trends, thinking about what they might mean into the future, thinking about the positives on them, and also some of the negative issues. So just taking that bit of time out.